Unit 5 Justice Above Self. My name is Siddhappa Karadige. My character is second Algu.
My name is Karvasappa Dunsi. My character name is First Algu.
My name is Akshata Ramagod. My character is 4 Juman.
My name is Deepa Kopar. My character is Sahu.
My name is Pallavi Patil. My character name is Juman, wife and narrator.
My name is Bhagya Patil. My character name is second Auntie.
My name is Akshata Gavepnavar. My character name is second Juman.
My name is Nilama Shravan. My character is Jumanal.
My name is Ashwini Vanapnavar. My character name is Juman. My name is Siddhamage Kalangod. My character name is third Juman.
One village, Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were two good friends. She both both greatly both greatly respected in the village, and uh, Juman had a one old auntie. She had some property and to transferred to Juman.
Uma, please give me a one glass water, please.
Take it, auntie. And what can I do for you?
No, thank. Uma, some coffee, please. Where is my coffee?
I don't do your coffee. Take this one.
Juman, Juman. Yes, auntie. My son, it is now obvious I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance. I have set up a separate kitchen.
My wife knows best how to run the home. You be patient.
I decided to take this case to the village panchayat.
Come to the panchayat and speak the truth, Algu.
You know, Chachi, Juman is my best friend. How can I against him?
Come and speak the truth, panchayat. Chaudhary as the punch. The punch now near the enemy, now friend.
You know, Chachi, Juman is my best friend. How can I against him?
Yes, but I also know that you will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship.
Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Juman.
The voice of the punch is the at the my today my aunt nominate the head punch. I will hear decision of the opinion that Juman must pay his aunt monthly allowance or else um, the property goes back to him. The voice of the punch, his voice of the god. Let Sahu nominate head. I will by the decision.
But of late there have been quarrels between my wife and aunt. Now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from which I can't pay. I can't pay, that's all I have to say.
This is justice. God lives. in the voice of the punch.
An enemy and wanted to talk to revenge.